And would you look at that? Look at all those tools, all of them. I don't know if you want all of them, but there you go. That's how you can add all those tools that are missing. Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Jeff and this is GIS Chops. I recently had a comment from a subscriber. Their name is Softwatt Gaber Plus. I think that's right. I don't know. Anyway, they were asking about sketch tools that were available in ArcMap, but they couldn't find them in ArcGIS Pro. And if you don't know what a sketch tool is, it's those tools that you use to draw features. They were specifically looking for circles and ellipses for line tools. In ArcMap, you had them available all the time, and they were always there. With ArcGIS Pro, they took some of those tools out. I don't know if it was a room or a space issue, or if it was just nobody uses these tools, we're going to take them out. I'm going to show you how to get those tools back if you relied on them in ArcMap, or if you didn't even know you needed them. Here are some tools. This is how you get to them. So here I have this line feature class. It's from a previous video. I called it Don't Move This Layer. Here are a set of sketch tools that Esri has felt like we needed and are mostly used. The commenter said they wanted to have the ellipse tool and the circle tool and they didn't know how to get to them. So here we are on the Create Features pane. If you don't know how to get to the Create Features pane, you can come here to the Edit tab and then smack this Create button. And that will get you to the Create Features tab. So I'll close it and I'll just show you. Here, if I hit that button, it's going to open it up again. So I have these tools, but I want the ones that I'm missing, the ones that I loved from ArcMap. So I'm going to hit this blue arrow. So this gets me to this active template window, but still my tools aren't here. To get those sketch tools I'm missing, I'm going to come up to the hamburger tool and select properties. And that's going to open up the template properties for that layer. And we've got a few tabs over here, general tools and attributes. The general is just this is more for general information. What we want is this tools side tab. And that opens up this list of tools available to line feature classes. And look right here. Here is the circle tool. And here is the ellipse tool. There's also a rectangle tool and a regular polygon tool. So I've got all the tools checked now, and this circle or radial button is for the default tool. So the default tool is the line tool. If I want to change it to the right angle tool, I can hit that. So I'm going to hit OK here on the template properties and then hit this back arrow for the active template. And would you look at that? Look at all those tools, all of them. I don't know if you want all of them, but there you go. That's how you can add all those tools that are missing. I hope that was helpful. I hope that helps you get your GIS chops leveled up and gets you a little more efficient in your editing. We'll see you next time. What we want is the Tools side tab.